Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Wuben TO10R. Now I was contacted by Wuben. They wanted me to test and review this product. They do have an Amazon store, comes in this box. We're going to go ahead and go over these specifications here. So if you want to go ahead and pause that screen, you can look at those a little bit longer. So we're going to move on and we're going to open this up and see what's in. Now this is a brand new model from them. So they are really putting out a lot of different models of lights as of late, and really been impressed with every single one of Wuben's lights that they have sent me. Now this is a warranty card. Here is the user manual, which is a multi-language folded out. So it has multi-languages on their user manual. And it comes with a USB micro charging cable. And it comes with a lanyard here. And now in my sample here, I noticed that there was another one in here with the actual label on it. So I think I'm going to use that one. In any case, pretty nice. Extra set of O-rings, of course. Here's the quality check label there. And we're going to go ahead and go over this battery. Now they told me that this is actually explosion proof. So I'm not really sure how that's possible, but in any case, that's pretty interesting. Now this is a protected cell. Shows you 650 milliamps, so it's going to provide you some decent runtime. And that adds a lot of value to the lights. And take a look at the light. Now I'm going to be putting the lanyard on this. Now the one thing I like about Wuben, they actually put a guide pin on here. So you can slide that through there, pull it through without having to wrestle trying to get that lanyard to the small hole on this particular model. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Been really excited to get this one. I was told probably last month sometime that this would be coming out, and I said yes right away. I would love to get a sample. And man, this is a really nice size, definitely an everyday carry. Now I notice it's missing a clip. That to me means a lot. The lanyard is good for people that are carrying it like this, but a clip is very important for people that do everyday carry of their flashlights. So I kind of recommend Wuben to somehow make a clip with this. I see several indentations here that they can include a clip to go in there. There would be even a reversible one where someone could wear it on their hat. That would be a plus. But overall, this is just an outstanding style and design. I like it. Very compact. Machining and finish are excellent. I like the steel bezel on this. Now this is running 3 Cree XP G3 LEDs. Now this is going to be really floody. Just outstanding. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the springs. Spring on the head there, well greased on the threads, and there's a big spring down in the base there. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the battery in it. Now this UI is an amazing UI. I was playing with it a little bit earlier and just thrilled me to death that this has some really nice features for such a small light. So we'll go over the UI features on this right now. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we'll turn it on. I'll show you the battery level indicator behind the power switch. It's got the W for the other switch. That'll also turn red when you need to get that, or I think it'll turn red when you get down to 50%, and it'll start to blink red when you're about 25%, and they recommend you charge it because you won't be able to reach the higher outputs for this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the first button, which is the power button, and we're going to ramp it. This button has a nice feature where you can ramp up the light outputs. Goes up and down, as you can see, and it's relatively fast. It's pretty nice. 650 lumens. Really floody on that beam. As you can see, there is a little bit of a spill here, but just a huge flood light beam that has on it. That's just really nice. And then you can press and hold that, it will go back down. And once you get to that, you can stop it at any level you want. And the nice thing about this is that you can go through the light outputs with the W button, and you can go through step by step. Just amazing. Okay, now when you want to, you can press and hold this to get strobe. That's the W button. And if you press and hold it again for 3 seconds, it'll change to SOS automatically. Okay, and then when you want to go back out, it'll go back. It does have memory mode, and then you can turn that off. Now you can press both of these, and that locks out the light. So now you can't accidentally turn that on. Okay, it's really simple on how to lock out that light. So we'll press and hold that again. That gives you the one flash to let you know that it's unlocked, and you can go back to the light outputs. Now the nice thing about this is it does have instant strobe. So you can press that W button for instant strobe. So that's very tactical. Very tactical. So you can press and hold that and release it at any time. And you can press and hold this power button also for it at any time for instant access. Just an outstanding UI. I really like the fact that you have 2 different ways that you can go through the light outputs. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go through the charging, show you what it looks like when it's charging. I'm going to go ahead, plug in the light here. Now on the plug, it does twist around, allowing you to go ahead and plug this in. We're going to go ahead and plug it in at this time. Okay, so we're going to plug that in. That's what it looks like when it's charging. Okay, and it is fully charged because I've already charged the battery, but that's what it looks like when it's done. It'll turn red when charging. Okay, and that's it. And we'll go ahead and put the lanyard in here. Like such. Put it through like that. Pull it through. Once you've done that, you can release. Take that off. Now you can slide I landed through there. And you're good to go. I really like that Wuben style lanyard. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put this back in here. And let's take this little bad boy outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wuben TO10R, little tiny EDC. So let's go ahead and turn this on and see how it does. Now I'm going to do it on the stepping feature versus the ramping right offhand. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, that is making the 30 feet, or 35 feet actually. Got high CRI. Really nice. And we'll try it on the fence, see how it does there. A lot of light there. Just on this output. Pretty impressive. Alright. We're going to go up to the next level. Alright. Very floody beam on this. Making 60 feet now. You can see the spill there at the edge of the fence. Hot spot. Alright, so now we're going to go to the next level output. Look at that. Now see, the spill is it gradually fades off. So it's kind of nice actually. And that's throwing out there quite a ways. Making 60 feet there with these. Very nice. And we're just going to pan around here. And it is making the tree of life. That's good. Doing really good for such small light. It's kind of hazy tonight. Had some fog earlier, but hopefully it's clearing out here a little bit. Alright, and there you go. Look at that light output from this little tiny light. Crazy. Incredible. Great job, Wuben. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Another outstanding flashlight from Wuben. The ramping and stepping abilities to go through the UI is incredible. I really like that feature on this light. It adds amazing versatility for someone that doesn't want to go through the stepping. I like the ramping feature a lot. I've got quite a few lights now that have that ability, and they are really easy to use. Nothing serious, nothing too complicated. Very nice. Build quality on this is outstanding. It's got some incredible ability to provide a huge wide area of light for such a small compact light. And only at 650 lumens, that light output of this thing is very impressive. So I want to thank Wuben for sending me this to review. Now this light is everyday carry, or it also has some very nice tactical features as well. So that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these complete flashlight kits to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.